efforts he did to prepare and find out about that particular exam and its interview, like what is the eligibility criteria, what is the qualifications needed, what are the syllabus pattern, how he can approach that syllabus, what are online platforms. Even we can add that he went to different online platforms for the that particular preparation of the exam preparation. He also gave some mock demo interviews to different online platforms, and he saw and he looked into what are the weaknesses he was having in his personality. He went for the different personality development programs as well. So these all are the things we can add, which will be showing that he made and gave his efforts at the best level, so that he can prepare for the interview very hard.
We can add one more thing that he's taken help with his family members or his friend for practicing and for narration part.
Yes, and in the last, we can say that because of all of these efforts which he was doing since 2 years, 3 years, that was the reason why today there was a smile on his face while he was looking himself into the mirror, which was showing him self confident.
Confidence is the main part. I clearly agree with Gunjan. So, gentlemen,
Friends, we can also add the particular things like that he is a final year student and he is going for a XYZ company and make a specific for that he is going for a designation like software engineering, as maximum of us going for tech and we are getting so we have basic service somehow or somewhere, so we can make it. And we can also add one point that he must be know about the company, so he went to the Google company website and take the information about the company from there. And he also go to the there is a website like Glassdoor and Quora from where we can get the previous year company history questions and the answers. From there we can pick up, and also we can give the mock test over the various websites available on the online, and from there we can analyze our the weak area or the improved area. And in which if he is going for the software engineering, so we can find out that he must prepare his basics of C language and the Java language, Python and etc. And after that, for practicing, he will getting a best part of practicing from his seniors who is already working in the MNC. From there, he get their experience and getting time from them and just preparing the interview practice with them. And as we have seen that he is looking in the mirror, so he must be getting a proper dress for the interview. So he went to the tailor and just making his dress, and after that he is checking that he is getting ready for that. So we can include these words also.
Yes, I agree with what
Yes, sir,
Anuj.
I'm agree with
I,
Anuj.
yeah,
He was saying कि today is the last day of interview, so he is preparing for any company, and he is a search about a company who is ownership and what is the establishment of the date and overall. So he prepared to ourselves at the proper, and today is the last day, so he will try the best.
I agree to what Anuj has said, and adding on to that, we can also add that he cleared the technical round and aptitude round with his knowledge, with his practice, and later on when he got shortlisted for the interview, he gathered sources from various online. He gathered information from various online sources, gave mock interviews, and also noted down his gray areas and worked upon it. And on the D day, he also did mirror practice before going for the interview so that he can get the required confidence for the interview.
Yes,
Yeah,
adding to that
I
one,
agree with
I
the
also added one point that after he selected on the interview round, he was very happy and also shared the moment his family with his family and made his day more memorable.
one thing we can also add after clearing his interview, he also gave various lecture to his junior member to clear the job interview and stage one of the examinations. He helped basically his juniors to clear interview.
Okay, so gentlemen, the main theme of our story, which the group is reciting, is that the person was preparing for a job in the company. So, firstly, he looked about the proper things of the job, that what the company belongs to, what are the things required for that job. Afterwards, he searched into different platforms where he can go and prepare for that particular job. He prepared hard he gave his best, and what all documents are needed, what all things are needed, what all practices are needed. He gave his entire time for that job. And along with that, after all of his practices, this is the final time when he was just leaving his home for the interview. So he is looking himself into the mirror for a final touch. He was checking his attire, he was checking his documents with a smile on his face. We can also add that he seek the blessing of his parents, and finally when he went, he was succeeded in his work, and he came back with sweets.
Okay, wait now. Now only those candidates will speak, those who haven't participated in GD. Okay.
We can add that like he assume so well, like adding his all specification such as story and making it look so good. He even interview website and all.
आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है पूरा, फिर से बोलो. मोहन, speak again.
Yes. He, he has and that interview like there is a website called interview there interview and he made his resume uh, so good that he had skills everything. It was resume was so perfect.
Hmm. Others? Others also speak, those who haven't participated. Anish, तू शांत बैठे हो. Sony, Vinay, Simran.
So I'm agree with the Shubham. Today is the last day of the of this mail, and he party he represent ourselves at the front of mirror, and he practice each and every day. And today is the last day, and so he one more time practicing for about overall interview.
I think he was preparing. He was preparing for his what theoretical knowledge he was learn for his interview and what and for he was shortlisted for HR round. That's why he was preparing for his information. What first in first we asked the tell me about yourself. That's why he was learn his prepare for his introduction. That's why.
Hmm.
Gentlemen, it can be clearly seen that the person in the given picture is just preparing for an interview and adjusting his attire. So I think he is going for an interview and doing something well in his career. So I think the theme related to interview is quite good for our mutual discussion. And however, he maybe come from a poor financial background, so we can also associate this theme with a poor financial background that he work hard and get succeeded in his interview and bring prosperity in his family.
And looking at the mirror, he was saw what type of his expression during the interview, what type of mistake he's doing, like that points.
Okay. Anyone left? Now you can give your common conclusion. Who will give the common story? Nominate someone from your group.
I nominate Ujjwal.
I nominate Gunjan.
Okay.
We also
I
nominate.
nominate Gunjan.
Okay, Gunjan.
Firstly, thank you, group members, for nominating me. So, the story of the group goes like this. There was a person who belonged to a humble background. Since childhood, he wanted to help his family. So, he was preparing for, he was studying, and also simultaneously, he was preparing for a job in the company. For that company, he firstly looked of the different areas where he had to belong as per the personality of his and as per the personality of the candidate who is required for that job. For that, he firstly looked to the different areas where he was having his weaknesses, what all skills he had to add on. Looked into the different platforms where he can go and he can improve his personality. As since he belonged to a humble background, he cannot afford the coaching, so he went on to some online platforms. He discussed with his friends. He also discussed with some of his elders and guardians who can help him, and in this way, he prepared very hard for that company's job. He also had to, since he was having a stage phobia, so he was not able to prepare. He was not able to speak openly. So for that, he used to practice in front of the mirror. So after all of the theoretical part, the thing that he used to do was the public mirror speaking. And this is the final day when he was just about to leave his home. This is the moment when he was looking himself into the mirror, looking his final touch, and checking his attire properly. He was checking his documents properly. He was checking that smile on his face, which would show his self confidence in front of the interviewer. Afterwards, when he was looking, he just seeked the blessings of his parents and went for the interview. He gave his very best and finally succeeded and came back with sweets. Thank you.